got the sun behind me, so that probably won't help. I'm just picking up a male redstart. I've not got out enough really over the years to find out what goes on around here, but I'm familiar with that call. It's up in the trees somewhere ahead of me. I think I've just put up a kestrel as well. I'm quite lucky really. I'm sure other people, you take things for granted with life, and you could do an awful lot more with your life really. The problem is it's being positive, and I've not been the most positive person over the years. And being an artist, I learned that a long time ago, that you've really got to do it to enjoy it all the time, and you've got to paint every day as well to keep the skill up, I suppose. But this is very pleasurable. And the lovely thing about doing these videos is that you're sharing things. It's a nice feeling. People appreciate it. Feel free to comment whenever you want. I'll try and answer them best I can. A lovely evening. It seems such a long winter, and now this sunshine, it doesn't half give you, it makes you feel good. You just get out there and enjoy it. I keep hearing redstarts now. Well, I think they are, unless I'm imagining them. Hi everyone, Steve again. I just thought I'd show you a little bit about the location where I live, down in the Scottish borders, not too far away from the cottage. Fantastic countryside. It's the weather that makes it, of course. It's just lovely. Can you hear the chiff chaff up there? Chaffinches. Hear him? I think there's a couple of pairs here. Just going through the wood now. Wonderful. And I'll give you a lift.